Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you can act immediately. First, make sure you have admin credentials and the target machine IP. Write them down. Next, verify network access and that port 3389 is reachable from your PC. Once done, temporarily disable any third-party firewall or VPN to isolate connectivity issues. This avoids false positives. While doing this, keep remote desktop services running on the host and note any recent changes to Windows Update or group policy that might matter. You now dive into the complex checks so you can fix configuration causes. Open services and restart remote desktop services plus remote procedure call. Make sure dependencies are started. Then, edit the registry carefully. Confirm hklm/system/current control, set /control/terminal server /f deny TS connections equals 0 and review RDP/TCP listener settings. Once done, inspect Event Viewer under Applications and Services logs for terminal services and the system logged. You finish by validating fixes and preparing fallback actions. Re-enable your firewall and any VPN, then test remote desktop from a clean client machine to confirm success. If network-level authentication is enabled and causing the error, toggle NLA off briefly to test, then re-enable it after updating credentials or certificates. Finally, if the issue persists, collect Event Viewer Error ID, screenshots, and the RDP client log. This information speeds up escalation or a support ticket. Keep calm and document each change for rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.